I was sick and tired of never having any time for myself and having somebody else control how I spent my day, the hours that I worked, and when I could have a day off. And the thought of spending the next 30 years of my life like that, it just sent me into this downward spiral of anxiety and depression. And all I could think was, is this it? Is this all there is? And then one day, everything changed. Hi, my name is Alex, and I want to share my story with you because I know what it feels like to be stuck in a job that you hate and feel really hopeless about your future. It's soul destroying, and I really hope that my story can help you. So one day I was watching some law of attraction videos on YouTube. You know, I was trying to manifest my perfect life, and this ad popped up a little bit like this one, and I never usually watch the ads. You know, I can't wait for that skip button to come along. But this ad, it was different. And this guy, Dan, he was talking about the exact problem that I was going through. He was saying how we're all trapped in this vicious cycle of trading our time for money, and we're so busy doing that we're building somebody else's dreams and never building our own. And so we never get anywhere in life, and we just end up feeling unfulfilled and unhappy. And that's not a life. So he had signed up for this online course that taught him how to build a business online from scratch, and a business based around his passions and his interests. And I know you've probably heard about the laptop lifestyle, and you've seen all those ads, you know, with these perfect people in their perfect lives, with their perfect families. And it just seems so unrealistic, like so unachievable for an average person. Now, this guy Dan, he just seemed like a really normal guy. And I realized then that, well, if he can do it, so can I. Now, don't get me wrong, he had to put a lot of hard work into setting up his business initially. But once that hard work was done, it's now paying off, you know. He was able to quit his job, he replaced his income, he spent the whole of last year traveling around the world, and his business was just working for him the whole time in the background. And that means that he has the freedom to spend his day as he wishes. He has nobody telling him what to do, and he can go anywhere and do whatever he feels like. And when he does choose to work on his business, he's excited and enthusiastic about it. You know, it's so in alignment with who he wants to be and the dreams and the goals that he has for himself. And so he shared this free video series with me, and it introduced me to the different opportunities that there are online and gave me a better understanding of the possibilities out there. And what I found was a company that have been helping people to quit the rat race and basically build lives and businesses that they're passionate about. And this company have been doing this for over 10 years. So I signed up for the training, and I'm still growing my online business, but I can honestly say that my life is so different now. You know, I wake up every day excited to work on my business, and I no longer have this dark cloud hanging over my head as I feel hopeless and worried about my future. Anyway, I want to share that same video series with you for free, so you can check it out and see if this might help you too. I'll leave a link somewhere around this video. All you need to do is fill in your name and email address, and then I'll be able to send the videos straight over to your inbox. And if it's not for you, then no worries, you can unsubscribe and you'll never hear from me again. But if you feel the way that I feel and you don't want to be stuck in the endless monotony of the 9 to 5 for the rest of your life, then this might be for you. I don't know. Only you can decide that. Anyway, go check it out, and if you do, I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for listening. Bye.